Subscribe this channel and click the bell icon for more incoming videos, and like the videos and comment what you have question, if any question you have.
Hello friend, today I will show you how to send message to anyone if anyone block you. For example, if you have a friend and anything you have and they block you and now you cannot send message. For example, I show to you that open WhatsApp. There is an account with me. This is an account, okay, and I send message, but this message is don't deliver. For example, you can see that the April is 15 April 2021 and today it is a 16 day, okay. So how can you know that this person blocked me? So the first thing is this message is don't deliver. There is only one tick button, one tick sign. So there is only one tick sign. The first sign that you know that this person blocked me, that is this message include only one blue tick. You select this message and click on the info button. Now you see that this message is not seen, this message is not delivered. The seen message and deliver message different is here, that you see that this message is delivered, this message is read it. But if you click this message, you will know that this message is not delivered and not seen. So if your message is don't deliver and not see that, so that person has already blocked you. So if you want to send message to them, how can you do that? For that purpose, you have to click here where I go. You have to just click here. You just open. For example, now there is an account I open. You have to add that person in a group. You have to add that person in a group. For example, first of all, I have created this group. I have created this group from another number. This number created this group. He added me and he also added the person who blocked me. So this person blocked me and this person created group first and then add me and then add this person. So there is a group of 3 persons. Now this person, I said to him that leave this group. Now he leave this group. You can see that he created group here and now he removed from this group. After that, when he removed from this group, the second thing which we left, now here only 2 persons left. One is the person who blocked me and the second is me. So if you can chat here, there is only 2 persons, you and the person who blocked you. So there are 2 persons, me and another person. So I sent message here and that person have read the message and delivered the message, okay. This message is read it by this person. So in this group I can send message to them and they can chat with me. So after that he chat with me and now he don't want to chat more with me, so that's why he left the group and now I cannot chat with you. If I again want to chat with them, so for that purpose I will be added that person in the group and I will be another person added that group. So the first thing you need to know is edit that person in the group. This is the only reason. And the second thing is to open another WhatsApp account. You have to open another WhatsApp account, and another WhatsApp account you have to enter their number. You have to enter their number, okay. Now you can see that this person don't block me. If I send message, this message will be delivered and will be seen by them, okay. So I don't want to send message to them. So for this is the easiest way. You have only 2 ways. The first way is create the group by another person and add yourself and the person who blocked me, and after that remove that person who have created the group. And the second method is to open a new WhatsApp account by the other phone number, okay. Thanks for watching.